Welcome to Global Eats Uncovered. Hello, fellow foodies and travel enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting episode of Global Eats Uncovered, where we explore the world through its most iconic and beloved dishes. Every dish tells a unique story, from the streets of bustling cities to the quiet countryside, offering us a chance to connect with the history, culture, and people behind the food. In today's episode, we're taking a culinary journey across the globe to explore the dishes that truly represent each country. These dishes are not just food. They are an embodiment of national identity, tradition, and the local way of life. From the farmlands of Europe to the tropical islands of the Pacific, we'll discover how each region's flavors are shaped by its geography, history, and people. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone who's just beginning to explore the world through food, you're in for a treat. So, get comfortable, grab your favorite snack, or maybe get inspired to cook one of these iconic dishes and join us on this flavorful adventure, eating through the regions. The dishes that represent every country. South America, Brazil. We start our journey in the vibrant and diverse land of Brazil, where the iconic dish feijoada reigns supreme. This hearty stew, made with black beans, pork, and beef, is more than just a meal. It's a symbol of Brazilian culture and hospitality. Feijoada is traditionally enjoyed on Saturdays, often served with rice, farofa, toasted cassava flour, and collard greens. The dish has roots in Brazil's colonial period, influenced by African slaves who adapted local ingredients. Today, feijoada is a dish that brings families and friends together, representing unity, celebration, and the warmth of Brazilian culture. North America, United States, hamburger. Next, we head to the United States, where one of the most beloved dishes in the world, the hamburger, was born. While its origins trace back to Germany, it was in America that the hamburger became a cultural phenomenon. From the food trucks of New York to the fast food chains of California, the hamburger is a staple in American cuisine. Made with a juicy beef patty, melted cheese, fresh vegetables, and a soft bun, it's the ultimate comfort food, often paired with crispy fries. The hamburger represents the American spirit, simple, satisfying, and adaptable to anyone's taste. From gourmet versions to classic street food, Europe, France, coq au vin. Our next stop takes us to France, a country where culinary arts are taken to the highest level. Coq au vin, meaning rooster in wine, is a classic French dish that embodies the essence of French comfort food. This rich, flavorful stew consists of chicken slow-cooked in red wine with mushrooms, onions, and aromatic herbs. Originating in Burgundy, this dish is a symbol of the French philosophy of slow-cooked quality food made with simple yet exquisite ingredients. The deep, earthy flavors of coq au vin reflect the French dedication to perfecting their culinary traditions over generations. Africa, Morocco, tagine. Next, we journey to Morocco, where tagine is one of the most iconic and distinctive dishes. Tagine refers both to the clay pot it is traditionally cooked in and the slow-cooked stew made within it. The dish typically features meat such as lamb, chicken, or beef, and a variety of vegetables, all simmered together with a medley of spices like cumin, cinnamon, saffron, and ginger. Dried fruits such as apricots or raisins are often added to enhance the depth of flavor. Tagine is a dish that represents Moroccan hospitality, often served with couscous and enjoyed as part of a communal meal. The aromatic, flavorful dish reflects Morocco's rich history and the blending of Berber, Arab, and Mediterranean culinary influences. Asia, India, biryani. No culinary journey would be complete without a visit to India, a land of bold spices and vibrant flavors. Biryani is a dish that has become a symbol of India's diverse culinary landscape. This fragrant rice dish, typically made with basmati rice meat, usually chicken, lamb, or mutton, and a blend of spices like saffron, cumin, and cardamom, is often served with raita, yogurt sauce. The layers of marinated meat and rice are slow-cooked together, allowing the spices to infuse every grain. Biryani has various regional variations, each with its own unique twist, but it is universally loved for its rich, aromatic flavors. Whether served in the bustling streets of Hyderabad or the royal kitchens of Lucknow, biryani represents the complexity and richness of Indian cuisine. Southeast Asia, Thailand, pad thai. In Thailand, street food culture thrives, and one dish that represents the country's vibrant food scene is pad thai. This stir-fried noodle dish, made with rice noodles, shrimp, chicken, or tofu, is tossed in a tangy sauce made from tamarind, fish sauce, and lime, and topped with fresh peanuts, herbs, and lime wedges. The balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors makes pad thai a dish that's adored by both locals and visitors. It's the perfect representation of Thai cuisine's commitment to balancing bold flavors, fresh ingredients, and intricate cooking techniques. Whether served from a street vendor or at a fine dining restaurant, pad thai is a dish you cannot miss when visiting Thailand. Middle East, Lebanon, hummus. Our next stop is Lebanon, where one of the most famous dishes is hummus. This simple yet delicious dish is made from pureed chickpeas, tahini, sesame paste, garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil. It's a staple in Lebanese cuisine and is often served as a dip with pita bread, vegetables, or alongside other mezze dishes. Hummus has deep roots in the Levantine region and is enjoyed across the Middle East. Its creamy texture and rich, nutty flavor make it a favorite at family gatherings and celebrations. Hummus represents the heart of Lebanese cuisine's simple, healthy, and full of flavor. Oceania. Australia, meat pie. Down under in Australia, the meat pie is the quintessential snack or meal enjoyed by many. This handheld pastry is filled with minced meat, gravy, mushrooms, and cheese, and is often served with a side of mashed potatoes or peas. The meat pie is a beloved part of Australian food culture, often eaten at sporting events during lunch or as a late-night snack. While the origins of the meat pie can be traced back to British influence, Australians have truly made it their own with countless variations. It's a dish that speaks to the country's love for hearty, comforting food. South America, Peru, ceviche. We return to South America, where Peru has earned global recognition for its ceviche. This refreshing dish is made with raw fish or seafood, marinated in fresh lime juice and mixed with onions, cilantro, chili peppers, and a touch of salt. The acidity from the lime cooks the fish, making it tender and flavorful. Ceviche is typically served with side dishes like sweet potatoes, corn, or lettuce, making it a perfect appetizer or light meal. In Peru, ceviche is often enjoyed on special occasions and is a representation of the country's rich coastal traditions and love for fresh, vibrant ingredients. East Asia, Japan, sushi. In Japan, sushi is perhaps the most iconic dish to represent the country's culinary culture. This dish consists of vinegared rice, topped with fresh fish, vegetables, or even egg. Sushi can be prepared in various styles, including nigiri, slices of fish on rice, maki rolled sushi, and sashimi raw fish. The art of making sushi requires great skill and precision, with an emphasis on fresh, seasonal ingredients. Sushi represents Japan's deep respect for nature and its meticulous approach to food. Whether served at a conveyor belt sushi restaurant or prepared by a master sushi chef, this dish captures the essence of Japanese culture and cuisine. A culinary world awaits. From the comforting warmth of coq au vin in France to the spicy aromatic ceviche in Peru, food is a universal language that connects people from all walks of life. Every dish we've explored represents more than just ingredients. It's a window into the heart and soul of a nation. Food tells the stories of its people, their history, and the traditions that have shaped their culinary identity. As you continue to explore the world of food, remember that each dish is an invitation to dive deeper into the culture and history that it represents. Whether you're cooking at home or traveling to distant lands, the flavors of the world are always within reach. Thank you for joining us on this delicious journey. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more food adventures with Global Eats Uncovered. We'd love to hear about the iconic dishes you want to try, or those that hold a special place in your heart. Share them with us in the comments below. Until next time, happy eating and happy exploring.